What's up, guys? I'm going to show you real quick how to use this Mach 1 Saran wrapping machine. Okay, now that we've got our pallet on here, push down on this lever, pull the door out, grab up some wrap, pull it off. Some guys will just grab it and run with it. The easiest thing to do is just tie it somewhere on the pallet or on your material. Shut this door back. We're gonna hit the green button. Now, these are equipped with a photo cell that is supposed to be able to see when you get to the top of the material and stop. This one we haven't had great luck with. It's worked about half the time, so we manually stop it, and I'll show you how to do that. So, hit the green button to start. It's going to start wrapping, and it's going to start going up. We like to manually stop it, so when it gets to where we want, we're going to hit the photo cell button right here. So, a little more. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit that now, and you can see it stopped raising, and now it's just wrapping. Now, you can have it set on however many top wraps you want. That's the wraps it's gonna do when you get to the very top of where you wanna be. And the bottom wraps, after it moves back down, it's gonna do a set number of bottom wraps. You can change those right here, top wraps. It's set on 1. I'm gonna change that to 5. Bottom wraps, it's set on 3. We're gonna change that to 6. So you can see it's on its bottom wraps right now. That's when it really starts to wrap stuff to the pallet. See, this is pretty secure on here now, and when this thing spins and stops, it's going to stop in the exact position it was, so you can drive right back in with the forklift and pick it up. You can just rip this here, and now you pick it up and you're good to go. Now, a few things about the machine. You've got your emergency stop here, on off switch. To jog it, basically you can just make the bottom turn whenever you want to. You adjust your values here with the wraps. Film force, this is the big one. You'll have to adjust the film force as your amount on here changes, or depending on what you're wrapping. Some things you can wrap tighter without breaking it. Some things, if you got sharp edges, you'll have to adjust the film force down. So you can do that right here. Ours is set on 1. We've had some things we've wrapped up around 50 or 60 film force, so kind of gives you an idea. Lastly is loading the Saran wrap. There's one way to do it. This top pops off here. You put your new roll in here, just pops out of the way. New roll sits down in here. This pops back. Your Saran wrap will go behind this roller, then in front of this roller, then behind this roller, and on the outside of this roller. So in front, behind, in front, back around the front. That's the only way it will work. So you want to be careful with the edge of your roll and try not to get any spots in it like this one has, because that can make it rip from the beginning. So besides that, guys, that is pretty much how you use the Mach 1 Saran wrapper. Thanks.